Hi everybody, it's Rebecca Fox here. I just wanted to show you guys how you can print to the colored printer in the library from your classroom. I know I've been getting an uptick of people sending me things to print for them in color, but I don't always have the time to get that to you. So it's best if you do it yourself. So I'm going to show you how to add a printer and then how you would actually do that from your classroom. And then you can just pop down and grab it whenever you need, or you can have a kid pick it up. It's totally up to you. I would caution you though, please be very mindful as to how much you are printing in color because that ink is very expensive. I know that this is super helpful with convenience and getting what you need when you need it for your students. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And if you have any questions afterwards, feel free to let me or Andrew know. Thanks. So I'm just going to pretend like this is the document that I want to print in color. The first thing I would do is I would come right down here to where it has the little printer icon with the plus sign, and that's the printer logic. Then it's going to open up on your screen. Give it a minute to load because it's going to load everything from every school, or at least most of them. You're going to come to schools and click that. Then you're going to click middle and then hobby. This is where it's going to take a little bit longer just because it's going to have to do the ones that are specific to hobby middle school. Now, because we're looking for a printer for the library, you're going to come down and we are considered A127 is our room. So we're looking for this one right here. It says A127 color. This is the one that you want. You're going to click it and then this screen will pop up. You're going to hit yes, you want to install that printer. Then you'll get this screen, let it go all the way through. You'll get a notice saying that it has been successfully installed. Click OK, and then you're good to go. You can go ahead and close this screen if you'd like. Then come back to whatever document it is that you want to print and print. You only have to install the printer one time. You do not have to keep going again and again. Now, if Technology Services does make updates or change it, you might see the printer disappear, but you're just going to add it this one time and then it'll be on there. So I'm going to click print, make sure your stuff comes up, and you're going to click on this little caret here, the arrow that is pointing down. Make sure it says A127 color and hit print. Now, I'm not going to hit print because I really don't need this document, but that's it. That's all you would need to do. Super simple, super easy. You guys can go ahead and print from your classrooms directly to the color printer here in the library. Please do not send me something to print for you because I don't always have the time and sometimes in the middle of something else and you guys want it right away and that just doesn't quite work for getting it to you in a timely manner. So if you have any questions, by all means, please let me know. You can also ask Andrew. He's the one who showed me how to do it, and it's worked beautifully all year. But thanks. Have a great day, everybody.